Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create a workflow in Trello with automation. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, let's create a new board. Go to your Trello homepage, click on the plus button on the top right corner, and select Create Board. Give it a relevant name. Creating a new board provides a clean slate where you can design your workflow without any distractions. Now that we've done that, let's add some lists. These lists represent the different stages of your workflow. For instance, you might have lists named To Do, In Progress, and Done. To create a list, click on the Add Another List button, type in your list name, and hit Enter. Lists help us visualize our workflow by breaking it down into manageable stages. Next up, we're going to add cards. These cards are your tasks. Click on the Add a Card button under your list, type in your task description, and click Add. Remember, cards represent individual tasks or items that need to be moved through your workflow. The reason we do this is because Trello's power lies in its cards. They can hold checklists, images, attachments, deadline dates, colored labels, and discussion notes from others who share the board. Now comes the fun part, automation. We're going to use Trello's built-in automation tool, Butler. Click on the Butler icon on the top right of your board and select Create a new rule. A rule could be like, when a card is moved to the Done list, mark the due date as complete. This helps us because automation reduces manual labor and increases productivity. By setting up rules, Butler will automatically perform actions based on the triggers we set, making our lives easier. Here's what's happening behind the scenes with Butler. Every time you move a card to the Done list, Butler sees this as a trigger and automatically marks the due date as complete. This way, you don't have to remember to do it yourself. Finally, let's test our workflow. Create a card, move it through the different lists, and watch as Butler does its magic. Testing helps us ensure that our workflow is functioning properly before we start using it in full swing. And that's it, folks. You've just created a workflow in Trello with automation. By following these steps, you've streamlined your tasks, saved time, and enhanced productivity. Happy organizing, and see you in our next tutorial.